Alright, today we're going to do a Vitamix pizza dough. It's the same recipe that's on our website. I'm going to do it with the food processor attachment, and we pretty much go from scratch. It's just flour, salt, oil, some rapid rise yeast, and some warm water. So I'm going to get started right now. It's going to be a fast video. So we have our main base on here for the food processor. There's our working bowl. And it has the multi-use blade, the normal food processor blade. So first we're going to add our flour, and I like to use a half and half. So I'm going to use half whole wheat and then half all-purpose flour. You can have all whole wheat, or you can have all-purpose, whatever combination you want. So I'm doing about half there, and it's 3 cups of flour total. Keep pouring it in there. Until you have your 3 cups. I'm using the app to help guide me so I can make this video fast. Next is the rapid rise yeast. Spread that around. Make sure you get all of it out of the packet. Okay. Advance. So we're gonna get some salt in here too. This is optional. I put the salt in. Okay, that's done. So we're gonna dry mix this now. Run the food processor attachment for about 10 seconds. Alright, now all the stuff is mixed. Take the top off. Now we get the warm water in there. Just go ahead and pour that in there. Now it's got to be warm water for the yeast. It can't be too hot or else it's going to kill it. It can't be too cold or else it won't activate it. So go ahead and put that was 1 cup of water. This is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then that's it. We just go ahead and process this for 30 seconds. Now the dough ball is already done and ready for rising. So what we're gonna do is, now, that's a blooper, but whatever. So I'm just gonna take this out and put it in the bowl. Get a little bit of flour here. Flour up the bowl a little bit, because you gotta knead it for about a minute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out here. Transfer it into the bowl. Knead it. Go ahead and cover your hands a little bit with some flour. You gotta knead it for about a minute. This is pretty much already done. See? That's all it takes. Now the beeping is just the app kind of advancing itself. I still have to work on that to make it perfect, but I just threw that together because for some reason Vitamix doesn't have this recipe inside the app, so I had to add it manually. But it was very easy to do. Okay, so now the timer went off for the kneading, and that's basically it. All I have to do is put a little bit of oil in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil just to grease up the bowl. And then I just let it rise for about an hour. It should double in size. Just make sure that it's in a nice warm area. If you leave the dough in an area that's too cool, it won't rise very fast. And it can't be too hot either, or else it's gonna be too bubbly. Too many holes on the inside, too many voids. So there we go. That's gonna double in size, and that'll be my pizza crust. You just flat it out and put your toppings on, bake it, and that's it. You're done. So 3 cups flour, 1 cup water, 1 pack of yeast, tablespoon oil, and a teaspoon of salt. That's all it is. And I was all done with the food processor attachment. So that's it.